Possibilist is not a real English word. It was, but it should be. I'm hoping that it will become one. It was a term coined by the Swedish doctor Hans Rosling. When people asked him, "Are you an optimist?" he says, "I don't consider myself an optimist, but I'm a serious possibilist." And I would agree with that. I stole the word from him because no one should be a prophet and say, "I just see things are going to get better," because no one knows. We don't have a crystal ball. No one can see into the future. What happens in the future depends on what we do now. However, what we do now depends on what we can anticipate. Do we think that it's even possible that we'll solve problems? If we think it's hopeless, there's no solution, resistance is futile, then we may as well say, well, let's just enjoy ourselves now and let our grandchildren worry about it. But if we look to the recent history and we see, well, our grandparents had problems. They had a world that had fought a world war. They had atomic testing in the atmosphere that spread radioactivity. They had the danger that whales would go extinct and tigers would go extinct. They had pollution in cities that was so thick that people were dropping like flies and being taken to the hospital because of poisoning from air pollution. They had dictatorships all over the world. Did they give up? Did they think it was hopeless? Well, no, they tried different solutions. They were not dreamers, they were not romantics, but they were problem solvers. And they succeeded, not completely, but partly. The knowledge that it is possible is what gives us the courage, the energy to try to solve the problems we face today.